guys, it's Kelsey and Kendra, and today we are back with another First Time Friday, and today we have a store called Meshki to share with you guys. It's technically a first time for me because Kendra actually has shopped this site before.
Yes, I've ordered a couple of items from there last year,
but I've never shopped on this site before, and I must say I'm super excited about the pieces that I got because I have been eyeing a lot of this stuff for a while now and I've been wanting to get it. So I'm glad that I finally did because it's gonna give me an excuse to actually leave the house because I'm a grandma.
I wouldn't say grandma, we're just like heavy homebodies for real.
For real though.
Yes. But Meshki, I actually found them on Instagram, like a lot of the boutiques that I always want to try out.
Yeah,
so if you're curious about like their aesthetic and like their style and what they look like overall, then check out their Instagram. And yeah, we're just gonna get started because they have a variety of sections on their site that are so up my alley. Like they're very minimal and chic.
Very chic.
Okay, so the first item that we both have are these tops, these one sleeve, long sleeve / sleeveless tops. And surprisingly enough, I decided to get the cream one and Kelsey got the black one.
I know.
Which is weird.
I was like, who are we?
I was like, wait, did they put that in the wrong, package?
But I picked black.
And I picked cream.
Because I don't know.
I just forgot that I picked this one because it was so like not typically what I would pick. And if I did pick this one, I would also get the black one. But I only got this one because I just wanted to see what it fit like.
I love the material.
Very
it's like
comfortable.
What do you call this? It's like fuzzy,
like knit. I don't know. It's a fuzzy knit.
Yeah, fuzzy knit. Perfect.
Yes, super comfortable. And it has like this elastic lining around like this part, so it kind of like sticks to your body nicely at the top. So
yeah, it doesn't feel like it's gonna slide. Yeah,
right. And the bottom has this really nice sweater material. This kind of rouge like a regular knit, but it's cropped, of course.
Yep.
So I think this would be like a really nice dinner top.
Yeah,
like something to wear to dinner, or just anything like nighttime. This feels very nighttime, like very like feminine, but has like that kind of like sophisticated, sexy kind of vibe.
Yeah,
that I think is and these one sleeve tops are back, and I think it's super cute. They're very early 2000s.
Extremely.
I think,
as you can see, I had one on at the beginning of a couple of these First Time Fridays, and I've been obsessed with them.
Yeah, you have.
Lately I've been wearing them all over my Instagram. I don't know, I'm just glad some of the 2000s trends are early 2000 trends are back. So okay, so the next crop top that I got is this leopard crop top, and it has really thin spaghetti strap, but I like how minimal it is because like from far away it looks like just like a bandeau top, and then up close it has straps, so it has like a sexy chic vibe, which I really like. And I actually do like that cheetah is back, but I like that
and leopard, they're two different things.
Well, this is leopard or cheetah? This looks
like
leopard. I was gonna say this looks like leopard to me. I'm glad that leopard is back, but I'm glad that it's back in a more tasteful way, because at one point I feel like leopard was a little bit tacky.
Yeah,
in my opinion. I feel like this makes it like more chic. I wouldn't wear it with
in a neutral way. It's kind of like a neutral.
Yeah, I guess you can consider it that. Yeah, but I wouldn't wear it with these like wash jeans. These are like a medium wash. I would prefer this top with like either a light wash or a super dark wash jeans.
So nothing in the middle.
No.
And I think that's from their Safari collection. That's also what I wanted to mention. They have like a lot of different, not a lot, but like a good amount of different lines and on their site, so they're categorized, and I think that's so genius and organized. So this is from the Safari collection. Yeah, like if you're looking for something in particular, you can find it easier. So that's what I love about their site. It's not really busy. And this is from their Safari collection, so they have a lot of cute things like in this print too.
Yep.
Yeah,
super cute.
And the shirt that I'm wearing is actually from their lounge line, so it's like a softer fabrics, more cozy feeling.
This feels like a blanket.
Pieces. It makes sense that this is from the lounge collection. But this is a cropped sweater material, like a knitted kind of grayish periwinkle. It almost has like a purple undertone to it, but it is gray, and it's like this really soft, longer than short sleeve crop top. And this, like the thickness of like the sweater material at the bottom makes it look very like, I don't know, very chic, but you can still wear it with like something that's dressier at the bottom and not look too casual. So I like the balance of this shirt, and I like the high neck. High neck is super cute. So it was a problem getting into this, trying not to get my makeup on it though. So but super comfortable, really cute, and I think it's casual and you can dress it up. So I like that it has a little bit of both.
Okay, so my next piece is a dress. Again, it has this super thin like spaghetti strap, kind of like the top I just had on. Extremely, like you can't see it from far away, but you can see it up close. And it's ribbed. You guys probably can't see that from here, but it is ribbed, and it's this really pretty nude color, and it's extremely long.
Super cute.
I just love the length.
Cute. I
like it's like at my shins. That's how long this is. So super cute, like perfect for dinner. I think I'm gonna wear this to dinner this weekend. It's like super cute.
So the dress that I got is from the same collection as the crop top that I just had on from their lounge collection. Same color, same like style at the top, but it's kind of a little bit shorter than a midi dress, so it's like right above the knee, if you guys can see that. So love the length of it. I think it's super cute, and I don't feel like exposed in it because the top is like high neck and the fabric is very like cozy, so I feel like I can be dressed up and comfortable at the same time. Like this is that go-to dress if you want something that feels like very cozy and comfortable but you want to wear a dress. This is one of those dresses, and the bottom isn't super tight. I still have room to breathe in it. This is a small. The only problem with this is that I wish there was more stretch in the neck, because it was very hard for me to get in this without getting makeup on it. And usually if I already have makeup on with this kind of stuff, if it's very stretchy, I will get in it from the bottom and work my way in it.
But you can't from the neck.
But yeah, my butt won't fit in this neckline, so that was out of the question for this one.
No,
but I love the way it fits. It's very comfortable, so I don't feel like super exposed in it. I don't feel like, you know, like I keep having to look in the mirror and fixing it. Like I don't have that issue with this.
Yeah, I feel like that about this one too. It's like effortless. Like you don't have to think about if you still look cute in it. Like not really any wardrobe malfunctions. Yes. I hate dresses like that. Yeah.
So love this. Love the material, just the same as the top. Just wish the neckline was, you know, more elasticity in there. Okay, so these next two pieces Kelsey and I have on are complete opposites. I'm more in the lounge category. Kelsey's in the safari section currently. This bodysuit and joggers that I both have on are from their lounge, or from their basics collection. Sorry, correction. This is from their basics collection. They have a basics section that I'm obsessed with. I actually have a couple crop tops that I got there from there last year, and one of them is in this actual color. It's called Mauve on the side. I love like the rosy mauve mixture in this tone. It's like a purple mauve. Yeah, like a purple mauve, and I'm obsessed with purple. You guys know purple's my favorite color, or maybe you don't know. But I love this bodysuit. This is the way the model had it on, like off the shoulder with this little slit like cut into the middle, and it's very good material. I'm obsessed with how long the sleeves are. Like you can't barely see my fingers out of this, so I love long sleeves.
How thin the top is.
Yes, it's very thin, very seamless though.
Breathable.
Breathable.
That's weird how it's thin but you can't see through
it. Great fabric. Great fabric. And I love the joggers. They have like this not too thin but not too thick kind of fabric. They're like right in between, so I would travel with these definitely. But you can also wear these with heels, so I think it's like a nice balance. Like this outfit I could wear to dinner, like on a casual, like a bar night.
You can have it on with heels and like a leather jacket or something.
Yes,
or like a denim jacket.
Denim jacket, or yeah, right. Or I would wear them with like just some Adidas or something. So love
Sneakers.
How versatile both of these pieces are. So this is very comfortable. I would for sure give this 10 out of 10. I'm just obsessed with this color. It's a very unique shade. They have this color and a lot of pieces on their site, so I love it.
Mix and match too.
Yes, you can.
So this pretty much kind of looks like looks similar to the crop top I just had on. Again, with these straps that I'm obsessed with. Very seamless. Like you can see them, but you can't see them. Love that about these. But I like
with that silhouette. I noticed.
I love this dress. Like it's super chic but minimal but sexy at the same time. I like the detail that they have here. Like I like that they put the darker part of the leopard in the center and then the lighter part here, because it like gives you a shape. So it is pretty short, but it's super cute. It's just very flattering, and I love the material. It's extremely stretchy. The only annoying thing is when I first put it on, the seam on the bottom kept coming up, so you have to just like pull the dress down a little bit, like the fabric on top of the underlining fabric, so that it doesn't show. Very comfortable too. I can breathe in this. That's one thing about certain dresses, like bodycon dresses. If I can breathe in it, then it's like good fabric.
That's true.
Because I'm not risking my life to look cute. I'm just not doing it. So yeah. Okay guys, so this next piece is hella extra, but I must say I'm obsessed with it. It's a long sleeve dress.
It's kind of 80s.
Think so? In a way, I get why you would say that.
Like the shoulders and like the neckline.
Oh yeah, I like how high the neckline is. Like super chic.
Really cute.
So cute. I love the placement that they actually like put the animal, because it like
the animal.
It's animal print.
The stripes.
It like accentuates certain parts of your body to make it look more flattering. So I love that about it. So this is tiger, and
I like a lot of their tiger stuff.
I like, you know, leopard and cheetah is what most people think of when they think of animal print. I don't really think of tiger. So this is very unique. Just very chic. Kendra said she could see me wearing this like a bachelorette party or something.
I don't know, it's kind of Vegas.
But I low-key feel like it's kind of hot for the club. They get hot in the club, like it's a lot of people around.
That's true, but if it's cold out and you want to walk outside with your chest out, that's perfect.
That's very true. And I feel like wearing a jacket.
Just put
this on. Keep that in mind.
So I decided to get this leather jacket as if I needed another one, but I just made an excuse because it's cropped and I don't own a cropped leather jacket. Most of mine are like regular hems. Like the hem is like a regular kind of style. Kelsey didn't think I needed it, but I couldn't resist. And me personally, I feel like you can never have enough leather jackets, so whatever. And I love how this one fits. Super cute, super casual, can wear with multiple outfits. And I just love like the lapel in the front, the way that it falls, super cute. So if y'all don't notice, y'all should know I love a good leather jacket. It's like one of my favorite style staples. And this one is not gonna, you know, collect dust in my closet. So that's what I love about stuff like this. I'm going to wear it. So you know, you can see something that's like real cute, but then you like probably at once. You know, this,
kind of like this.
But you get a good picture in it though. So you get a good picture in it, you good. But I just love stuff like this. Love the zipper detailing on the sleeve. Love that. So I just love details in leather jacket. Okay guys, so that completes our Meshki First Time Fridays haul. Also, we would like to add that the shipping for Meshki Boutique was phenomenal. It came in like 3 days and it was supposed to come in like a week.
We didn't even pay for 3-day shipping.
No, we just paid for, I think they had for shipping.
I honestly wasn't.
It's like if you spend a certain amount, you get free shipping, but it came in 3 days. So it came quick. When it said it was going to come. It was like your package will be here Wednesday, and they didn't lie.
Yep.
So I love their shipping. So if you guys are wondering about the shipping, because you know we had an issue last week with the
Missy Empire.
Yeah, Missy Empire shipping.
Their shipping is
not it.
No.
Unless we just had a bad experience and you guys have ordered from there and yours was much better. Great. So hopefully you have a better experience than I did. Or we did with Missy Empire, but Meshki did a great job with the shipping. The prices are a little bit more on the not cheap side,
but I honestly feel like it's worth it for the quality.
But the quality is wonderful. If you're somebody who doesn't like too many items in your closet and you just want those staple things that you can wear with multiple items, because they have a basic section, or if you're looking for like really good nighttime clothing,
special occasion,
great
night
pieces
out
that are simple, sexy, chic, minimal. If those words ring any bells for you, and
that's Meshki.
Yes, that's what they're all about. So I love them. I'm definitely going to add them to my list of favorite stores to shop at.
Definitely.
So yeah, we hope this video was enjoyable. Let us know if you're loving these First Time Fridays. We are going to switch it up a little bit more from just clothes. So be on the lookout for some more variety. And also we wanted to mention to you guys, we are going to start posting some vlogs on this channel. For those of you who don't know, Kelsey and I do have a vlog channel, but we wanted to just give like a different vibe on this channel, just add some more lifestyle and add vlogs on this channel for those of you who don't watch our vlogs. And for the people who don't watch our beauty videos, they can just come on this channel and watch those as well. Yeah, because you guys know we like to gather a few clips from like a few weeks to make the vlogs longer. So whenever the vlog goes up, it'll be on this channel. So yeah. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this First Time Friday, and we'll see you guys next time.